Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Casey and welcome to my garage. Today I just want to do a really short video update, let you guys know what's going on with this channel and what to expect coming up in the next few weeks and few months. So recently I've invested in some new camera and audio equipment. I'm hoping that the audio and video quality has improved quite a bit over my older videos. And moving forward, I'm going to try to record as much as I can with the trips and journeys that I have coming up. Speaking of which, I'm going to be heading to Salalah in mid-August, and I will film some of that, but not too much because I'm going to be going with other people and I don't really want to be sticking a camera in their face. After Salalah, there's not really too much you can do until it starts to cool off more towards October. When it does cool off, I'm going to try to get out to Oman as much as possible this season. There's a lot of places that I want to explore out in Oman, and I haven't had the opportunity to get out there and do that yet, so I'm really looking forward to doing that this year. So for the most part, I've finished up with the trailer build, and now I'm just kind of preparing it to be sold, because actually I don't have much use for the trailer. I built it with the intention of outfitting it to go camping and be a bit more comfortable when I do go camping. However, I've noticed that I really don't need a second camping and overlanding type vehicle. For my purposes, my tent and my truck is more than adequate and equipped to go camping for long durations. There's really no need for me to have a whole nother setup. So fortunately or unfortunately, that does mean that I'm going to be selling this trailer and probably will list it more towards the start of the season. Before I head out to Salalah though, I do need to do a full service on the truck, not only just oil, but transmission, transfer case, both differentials, all fluids. While I can do that here in the garage, it's a little bit difficult to get underneath the truck to drop the transmission pan and everything. So I would prefer if there is a shop that I can just borrow their lift that can handle the weight of the truck. So do let me know in the comments if you do know of a shop that is willing to help me out. In January, I'm planning to go to Saudi Arabia to follow the Dakar. I'll likely catch them closer to Riyadh and follow the races all the way through the empty quarter, closer to the UAE border. But before any of that, especially before the Salalah trip, which is just a few weeks away, I need to prepare the truck to be sent up to Dubai next week, as it's getting a full custom drawer system installed in the back. So first priority today is to move my roof racks in a way that can accommodate the solar panel that will be going on top of the roof tent. And then I need to load everything, my fridge slide, battery, all that stuff into the back of the truck so that it can be sent up to Dubai. Anyways, that's all the updates that I have for you guys today. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It lets the algorithm know to share the video to more people. I'm new to filming and doing these vlog type style videos, and I'm interested to see where this channel can go. Like I said, I'm going to start filming a lot more of my trips out into the desert and the mountains here in UAE, Oman, and Saudi. So if you're interested in seeing those camping style videos, or you want to see a full walkthrough of my truck, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I do drop that video. Until next time, see you in the dunes.